One sentence can be all it takes to land yourself a huge tax bill from HMRC. Just a few poorly structured words and that's it. Those subcontractors you use, in HMRC's eyes, should have been employed. So if you do get a look in from them, you need to be prepared. In the past 12 months, we've helped 2 clients with their HMRC inquiries. Both successfully won their cases. One was a pretty standard VAT enquiry, but it snowballed into more, as expected. Since construction is now subject to the reverse VAT charge, the majority of firms now receive a VAT refund as opposed to paying a liability. Our client was due a 6-figure refund and HMRC decided to take a look under the hood just to make sure everything was as it should be. They had this tendency to create their own agenda, and not only did they ask for our client to provide receipts for the expenditure incurred, they also started asking questions about why non-employees were driving company vehicles. As someone who's done this for years, I know the answers that will trip you up, and I know the ones that will prove you're using your subbies as just that. Thankfully, before the client hit reply, they checked their response with us first. Here's what they'd said. The subcontractors in question are not employed by We have vans and spare vehicles within the business for people who go on site. We want to set a certain image for our business and do not want people turning up in old cars on sites we are working on. Is wanting to promote a certain image for your business a genuine business reason as to why you would provide a subcontractor with a van? No. And all it'll do is bring more questions than you were prepared for, plus several £1,000s in unpaid taxes. Here is the correct response. Any use of a company vehicle is reflected within the rate paid to the subcontractor. Safe to say, the refund was paid. Because we include a guarantee on the employment status of your subcontractors, our ship is pretty watertight. If you want an honest chat about what your setup looks like now and what we can do for you to make sure you're covered if HMRC comes knocking, get in touch.